Good day, everyone, and welcome to another edition of Simplifying a Fraction using the greatest common factor. That's right, today we're going to be finding the GCF to help us simplify 12/18. Let's dive right into it. Now, to find the greatest common factor of 12/18, we can simply find the prime factorization of 12 and the prime factorization of 18. First, let's do this. 12. What two numbers multiply together to equal 12? Well, we know that 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 is prime, so we carry it down, and 4 is composite, so we break it apart to 2 times 2. And thus we have 3 times 2 is 6, and 6 times 2 is 12. We have the prime factorization of 12. Now let's go ahead and do the prime factorization of the denominator, which happens to be 18. We'll do that over here using a factor tree. We know that 2 times 9 equals 18. 2 is prime, so we can carry that down. And 9 is composite, so we can break it apart into 3 times 3. Let's double check. 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 times 3 is 18. So we have the prime factorization of 18. Now, all we have to do to find the greatest common factor is organize the factors into this Venn diagram. So we'll have 12 be represented by the left and 18 represented by the right. And then, of course, the overlap is what they both share. So let's look at this. I have a 3 here, and I have a 3 there. So I put a 3 in the center. Over here I have a 2, and over there I have a 2. So I can put a 2 in the center. And then we have a 2 left over here, so we'll put that under the 12. And we have a 3 left over there, so we put a 3 over there. Now, to find the greatest common factor, all we have to do is multiply the numbers together that are in the middle. In this case, we have 3 times 2. So let's do that. We have 3 times 2 equals 6. And that should be the greatest common factor. And it is. Ladies and gentlemen, now that we've found the greatest common factor, guess what we can do? We can simply divide the top and the bottom number by 6 to simplify this fraction. 12 divided by 6 is 2. And 18 divided by 6 is 3. Thus, 12/18 in simplest form is 2/3. Anyways, I do hope that was helpful. Hope you enjoyed the lesson on finding the greatest common factor using prime factorization and a Venn diagram to simplify a fraction.